Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're diving into the world of regular expressions, often known as Regex. Get ready to unlock a powerful tool for pattern matching in text. Let us begin with regular expressions explained. So, what exactly is a regular expression? Simply put, it is a sequence of characters that defines a search pattern. Think of it as a mini-language for describing text. Regular expressions are used for text matching and manipulation. The sequence of characters act as a set of instructions to find patterns within a string. Let's look at a very basic example. Imagine we want to find the word cat in a text. The regular expression to do this would be /cat/. This pattern will find any text containing the exact sequence of characters C, A, and T together. Why should you learn regular expressions? They're incredibly versatile. First, they help to find specific patterns in text, making searching much more powerful. Second, you can validate input formats, ensuring data is correct. Third, they efficiently replace text, saving time. Finally, they extract data from strings, which is useful for data analysis. Here are a couple of basic patterns to get you started. The pattern \D+ matches one or more digits. For example, it would find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the text. The pattern open square bracket, a -Z close square bracket matches any lowercase letter. Let's see how regular expressions are used in Python. First, you need to import the re module. To find a pattern in text, define your pattern using the raw string, then the text you want to search within. After that, use re.search function with your pattern in text. Finally, extract the matched portion using result.group. Regular expressions have many real-world applications. One common use is email validation, where you check if email addresses are properly formatted. Another is log file processing, where you extract specific information from server logs. These are just a few examples of their power. In summary, regular expressions are powerful tools for pattern matching and text processing. They allow you to search, validate, replace, and extract text with precision. Start simple and build complexity gradually, and you will become proficient in no time. Good luck and thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.